on your head.
Hazel, are you all wet? Yes. Are you helping? Where'd you put the water? What hole did you put the water in, Silas? What hole did you put the water in?
That one.
That one?
No, but this one.
Oh. What? Yeah. Uh-oh. He's going to get you wet, I think. Oh, he's putting in that hole again. See all that water coming out? Yeah. See all that water coming out? Uh-oh.
What happened?
She just said uh-oh.
Nothing's happening.
Yeah. Oh. Did you get wet? It's like swimming, isn't it?